Kama mmesikia na kuja watu kwa
hatukujua wamekuja. We have to see.
Okay.
These are the people who are told.
You are the one in charge of the hospital night. Mko attend. How is the service? Good. Okay. 1 hour.
Calvin is in charge.
Calvin. Usiku na
Occasionally.
Sina ukiwa ndio Canada. Yes. Umai.
Nikaungana na gari ikatoroka. Sasa nimeumia nika hapa, wananiambia nilipe nini bibi yangu hapa. Anaambia ana hata shilingi moja.
Uko na SHA? No. Nani? You register SHA. So you register immediately?
Yes. It's done immediately.
Yeah. Say how much? Mtoto tu ariretisha SHA tu atende kile. Mwaoga hiyo. No, mkao kwa yale wada. Hakikisha wewe mtu anarejesha SHA sasa hivi. Utamlipia hiyo litatu. Sawa. Nangu wakanira just to make sure wakore ndike onya kunyakana. Really?
You can pass it.
Why is that drug when it's not a doctor?
But you have an option for it, right?
You have all other drugs mixed been seen by the doctor. Anakuja mpaka huku. Unampata kwa system.
Inpatient now.
Inpatient.
Yes. You have to log in inpatient.
You're only dealing with the inpatient.
You are inpatient and outpatient.
Therefore, outpatient, kama amemaliziwa na daktari. Do you have their details here?
Yes.
Kwa hivyo akikuja, is it possible that the doctor can see the drugs which are there for prescription?
Yes.
From the word you are able to see.
Even from the kitchen.
That is not there.
Yes.
That's the time that somebody can go out.
Yes.
Therefore, at any given time, because this is I want it, I have somebody who has to go through it. That one.
Uko na wagonjwa ngapi?
Hizi ni na 20 patients with health, and then I have 36 and new mothers. Also have 6 in NDA, and then I have 37 discharged in.
37.
93.
37
Discharged in. The ones who have been discharged, but have not gone home.
Why? How do they get admitted without SHA?
They are normally admitted when they come in labor.
You guys, we must get some money to put so that people, they are registered, they pay, they are registered. The time they are leaving, they can do what? They are charged. And these are the managerial, these are discussions, because we can't have people who don't have SHA and they are sitting here and say SHA to their pay. It's something we should have taught to. Napata kama 100,000 ama 200,000, lakini akitoka analipa that money because amelipiwa SHA. Na kama amelipia the bill award, kila portion is kila portion. You are the big boss, madam, here. You are the big boss. You are the big boss here.
No.
Oh, she's the boss.
I'm the deputy in charge. The in charge is at home.
How many are you?
We are tried nothing.
Now, how do you deal with those guys who have been stressed and they're not
We didn't have a meeting with them.
so that by the time they are leaving, they must pay that money. We cannot stop somebody being treated kwa sababu hana nini? Cha. Hana. And I get this thing that I want to put across. It's usually that.
Because now you see someone that doesn't get it, surgery.
What? Okay. Hey guys, how are you? Mmelala? Mko kazi? Who is the big boss here? Nani amesimamia nini? Yule ametoka, amelala. Habari zenu? Hao wengi ni wanafunzi. Kazi ikoje? Wewe unasoma wapi? Wewe? Wewe? Ontario. Shule gani? Umejiita nini nani? Ontario vipi? Okay. Endelea na kazi nzuri, wale wanafunzi jifundishe. Usilale kazini. Magonjwa yanaendelea. Mnajua hili daktari? Mnajua hili? Mnajua yeye? Wewe unajua yeye? Bado. Wewe? Unajua pia wale ambao sio wagonjwa sasa wagonjeke warudi hapa. Tunataka kutoa wale tu, baadhi naenda barwalema. Go ili ndio kinta kitindore abantu aba. And I'm serious about it. Mo kore ka abantu batarwale ki mo beke tbaro bali barwale ki na what do you think abaro ni bwana bwana gandi n'abantu abana kandi umunyo ni service yegiye mo bwana bwana gocha ndi mugasonje beko mbara era Ewa. No, muchando toyo bali muri bo bepti. Aiga to krochi ate ababa kabe. Ali yuko imuka nane kengere kwento kobera agaiga okobata umuntu ochokoraki okubuguri. Ikiaro muchando ngati ai krochi no kobo umuntu naro rwate. Rwate rero obo kwamba. Moyo ako rwara agaiga. Ndi gawo kana ndara mwe. Taki wabona mwe. Naingira mande mbalinde mwe. Mo waje waje. You have not been here. You guys sasa amfanyi kazi. Ndio nitakubalia watu wako wazima wako hapa. Mimi ninalala hapa. Ndio you are working ama mlete watu ambao wanataka kufanya kazi. Ndio ndio. Nakubaliana? Yeah.
All this is because of you.
Is the same story, isn't it? Is the same story. Huh? It's only that you have refused to be responsible. So, take care of that. I'm sure it's the same story. Take me to the office. I'm not ready to call up. This should be actually a better place than for the road call communication and everything.
Because after he's on call, we want to see him, they will call him and come. They are 24 hours operation.